Alright, so in this question we're asked to find x. Now if you look at it very well, this triangle from this point to this point to this point is an isosceles triangle because of this two stroke in this two line. And one of the properties of isosceles triangle is that the base angles are the same, which means this part and this part are equal. They are the same. So the first thing we need to look for is this part. So the angle we were given is 120 degree, that's this end. We're also given this angle, and you remember this angle, this stands for 90. So we know this angle. If we can find this angle, whatever we get here is same thing here, and then it will be easier for us to find here. So whatever is here plus x plus 90 will be equal to 180. That will be able to solve what is x. So let's go straight. So let's try to label this first. Let's create an angle here. Let's call this y, and then this place is also y because these two angles, they are the same. So okay. So how do we find this y? Now, don't forget 126 degree is in a straight line with y. So angle on a straight line is equal to 180. So it means that 126 plus y is equal to 180. So we have 126 plus y equal 180. Therefore, y is equal to 126. We'll move over to the other side. So we have 180 minus 126. So 180 minus 126, that will give us y equal to 54. So if y is 54, it means y is 54 degree, and this is also 54 degree. So let's label this part also. Let's call this a. So the sum of angle of a triangle is actually 180. So it simply means y plus a is equal to 180. So then we can say for us to find a, so we have a plus y is equal to 180. So y is 54, so we have a plus 54 equal 180. A plus 54 plus 54, that's 108 equal 180. Therefore, A is equal to 180 minus 108. Then A is equal to 72. Okay, so if A is 72, we already know what is A. This part is 72. Okay, already this is 90 degree. So what we have is 72 plus x plus 90 is equal to 180. So let's solve. So we have 72 plus x plus 90 equal 180. Therefore, x plus, so 72 plus 90, that will give us 162 equal to 180. Now we have x equal to 162, move over to the other side. Then we have 180 minus 162. Therefore, x is equal to 180 minus 162, that will give us 18 degree. So x is equal to 18 degree. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also follow for more. Bye for now.